In this video, we're going to walk you through the Apiro AI platform and show you how to get started using Kai, Apiro's intelligent AI agent, to unlock the platform's powerful capabilities. Apiro AI is an AI-powered, multifaceted enterprise application platform. It's capable of building data management, integration, and microservices solutions, and is also an AI agent designer and synthesizer that's transforming how organizations build and deploy technology solutions. Apiro aims to facilitate the post-developer-centric technology landscape, where subject matter experts design their own solutions, with developers playing a support rather than a primary role. At the core of the platform is Kai, Apiro's intelligent AI agent. Kai can plan, build, troubleshoot, integrate, and guide users through the design and deployment of complex solutions. It can even design specialized AI agents, capable and helpful as Kai is for Apiro, but customized specifically to your organization's unique needs, whether they need to serve humans or other automated systems. Think of Kai as your AI-powered platform team, accessible through a single interface. Let's take a quick walkthrough of the main parts of the UI, starting with the Kai workbench, also known as the Kai playground. This is where most of your interaction with Kai and Apiro happens. Once you start a session with Kai, you can get up to speed quickly by asking directions and questions like, walk me through the Apiro Quick Start Guide. Walk me through the Apiro Learning Guide. Complete the assessment for me. Give me a comprehensive list of Apiro's features and capabilities. Show me a table with all the Kai specifications, microservices, schema, feeds, alerts, distributions, and ICT extensions, along with concise descriptions. Can you explain what a custom AI agent is and walk me through how to create one? Next, let's look at the tooling toggle view. Normally, you ask Kai a question and you wait for the response. In order to answer your query, however, Kai may need to interact with the Apiro platform or the outside world. These intermediate interactions are called tool calls. In general, you don't have to be concerned about tool calls, but sometimes it's helpful to inspect the tool call telemetry to understand Kai's process or rationale in satisfying your request. That's why you can toggle the tool call message view on or off in case you want to watch how Kai interacts with the platform under the hood. The default mode is off. One of Kai's most powerful abilities is that it can generate and execute code on the fly when an exact predefined tool function doesn't already exist. This gives it virtually unlimited capabilities in satisfying your requests, and the tooling view lets you see those actions in real time. Now let's talk about Genius mode. This lets you switch between standard and Genius AI modes. Genius mode is available for the rare instances when the default AI model is unable to respond satisfactorily to your request. It's quite rare that Genius mode is required for a task, so only use it when standard mode is failing. Also note that you can switch it on for just one question in the conversation chain, and then switch it off again for subsequent requests in the conversation. Currently, standard mode uses Anthropic Claude Sonnet 4.0, and Genius mode uses Anthropic Claude Opus 4.0. Keep in mind, Genius mode is approximately 5 times more expensive than standard, so only use it when required. And again, remember, it's very rarely required. You can export any conversation with Kai, either by copying it as plain text or downloading it as a PDF. This is great for documentation or sharing results with others. System logs are available here. Just remember, logs are not buffered prior to the system log window being opened, so you need to open the log before performing any actions. or start logging immediately when you log in. Under Tools, Secret Management, you can encrypt any API keys used in system properties, so sensitive data is not stored unencrypted in the configuration source's persistent storage. If you're unsure what system properties, or sysprops, are, just ask Kai to explain them. Each Apiro instance requires at least one configuration source, which is backed by a Git repository. This is where Kai reads and, if writable, stores configuration data. You can also use read-only configuration sources to share common fixed configuration libraries. Ask Kai to explain the various phases of the Apiro configuration import processes to understand how configuration files stored in the configuration sources turn from XML to executing runtime code. How configuration sources are reloaded. Here's where you can access raw data, consolidated data, and full data lineage for every data point. This view also lets you manually update data, if permitted. You can manually trigger data feeds right here, and likewise, data distributions can be triggered from this section as well. If you ever have questions, want to request a feature, or need to report a bug, the Help Center is just a click away, right from the UI. That's your quick introduction to Apiro and the Kai-powered UI. Go ahead, explore the platform, start a session with Kai, and see what's possible. And remember, if you need help, we're always here to help.